A little bit about Network Optix. Network Optix was founded in 2010 with the goal of kind of creating a platform approach to enterprise video management. Company's headquartered in Los Angeles, but we were kind of rapidly expanding in Walnut Creek here in the Bay Area and also in different places around the world like Istanbul, some other markets. A couple things about the company. We've been on the Inc. 5000 for 6 years running. We have at least 3 million IP cameras out there, probably a lot more that we know about. So I think we're doing a pretty good job at what we do in general. What we're here to talk about today, at the end of the day, we live in a new information age, we think, that's primarily driven by video. Metadata-enabled video, meaning AI-enabled or object detection-enabled video, is a driving force behind that change, in our opinion. So our kind of base thesis based off of that is that metadata-enabled video is going to become an integral part of all software systems that are out there because of the volume and the scope of the information that it generates. All right, so there are 10 big challenges we see when you're going to create an intelligent video software as a service or product, right, that you're going to have to deal with as a developer. One of those things is device and stream discovery, being able to discover IP cameras, USB webcams, drone cams, RTSP streams, UDP streams, some form of video stream, right? Being able to capture that video and the associated metadata that comes with that video, and then storing it, right? So storage management, local drives, NAS drives, cloud storage, SD cards, lots of different types of storage out there. You got to be able to manage the video that you do capture and the storage, the media that it sits upon. Decoding and visualization. So not only you have to capture the video, you need to present the video to the user. You need to be able to decode it on different platforms. You need to be able to visualize metadata on top of that video. There's a lot of challenges there. Along with that, OS and hardware support. Right? There's different ecosystems and platforms out there we need to be able to support. Ubuntu, Linux, Docker, cloud stuff, embedded Linux, a lot of challenges. System scalability, so you've got, let's say it's easy to do this for one camera, right? All these things for one camera, it's not that challenging. But how do you do it for 10,000 cameras at the same time, right? Scalability. Extensibility, yeah, you've got this product, you created it, you think it's great, but as you guys know, every customer's like, I need this too, right? So having the ability to adjust that product for different markets and different use cases. Usability and user experience, right? Big one in software these days is we like to create what we call instantly usable software, right? So that's a huge challenge for developers. Local and remote connectivity, being able to connect to it locally over a local network, but also being able to connect to it from anywhere in the world. And then finally, cybersecurity. How do you keep all this information, this video, all this metadata that's really making that video, concern for privacy? How do you maintain cybersecurity so that information is collected? So at the end of the day, creating an intelligent video product is really complicated. So we came up with an approach called NX Meta and Video Platform as a Service to try and solve that problem.